Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. And here we have the Volkswagen Transporter camper van on a 20 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's got alloy wheels. Of course, that top opens up, as you can clearly see. We've got that awning on this side as well, and that sliding side rear door. We're going to start off inside the rear of the vehicle first of all. As we approach the back of the vehicle, you can see we have the reversing sensors. Plenty of storage underneath here. This top section is what makes up part of the bed in this lower portion of the vehicle. Of course, it's all done by folding down those rear seats, and we have a bed in the top section, which I'll come to in just a moment. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the vehicle. You can see I've now lowered the roof section to give you a better idea of what the vehicle looks like in its kind of everyday driving setup, if you like. We're going to hop in next and run through some of the controls on the inside of the vehicle. But as you can see, now that we've done a full circle, it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in and run through those controls, I think it's well worth seeing this rear section. So, of course, these are the rear seats. They fold down to make up part of this rear double bed. We have the cupboard space just here. We have a proper stove, refrigerator, and underneath this one, a sink as well. And then into the front of the vehicle, before we actually run through those controls, you can see this section that opens up just here, which will again give you this massive sleeping area. Okay, now that we're inside the vehicle, we're going to start off with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can then see the total miles. They are 48,945. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have our stereo controls, we have cruise control, and then we have the buttons over here that can change the trip computer information displayed in that main section, and further stereo controls here also. Into the centre, you'll find the main screen. So front and rear sensors on this vehicle. You can see the visual guide for those just there. When it comes to your radio, we have FM, AM and DAB. You can listen to your own music as well. There's plenty of ways of doing that. And then include Bluetooth audio. So not only can you make and receive phone calls, you'll also be able to stream your music wirelessly as well. Once, that is, you have paired up your phone to the vehicle. We've also got the ability to use the satellite navigation, as you can see. Working our way down from that, we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. This button here turns your air conditioning on and off, or just hit auto. The car will take full control for you. We've also got heated driver and passenger seats as well. Then working our way down, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. And then above that, the main control centre for the vehicle. So you've got your kind of electric power usage there, the ability to open and close that roof section as well. Last thing I wanted to mention is the paperwork we have for the car. So starting on the left-hand side, in that envelope is the spare key for the vehicle, so 2 keys in total. The V5 registration document showing it's a 2-owner vehicle from new, and then a printout from Volkswagen showing the vehicle's history, including its services in 2025, 2024 there, all the way down to 2020. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the vehicle for yourself and have a look at the seating and bed arrangements in a bit more detail, as well as taking it for a drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.